Check it out. This kid's channel is raking in a big bucks. Its videos have massive views. Do you imagine how much money they earn in making these videos? And guess what? The visual in videos are really pretty simple, not requiring a high production of complexity. Social Blade reveals that this channel estimated monthly income ranges from $4,000 to $69,000, and its annual income is $51,000 to $829,000. Now that's mind-blowing. The reason why these kind of channels thrive on YouTube is that they identified and met the educational needs of parents teaching their kids. Through animation, children get to explore the world and learn little things like letters, numbers, colors, and shapes. Plus, the vibrant color and strong entertainment value capture kids' interest, keeping them occupied and giving parents some time for themselves. If you're contemplating starting your YouTube channel, but struggling to come up with ideas, you might want to consider venturing into children's learning content. With the help of AI tools, creating similar videos can take a few minutes. In this video, I will teach you the simplest way to produce such animations. And stick around because I'll share the complete sample video at the end. But before that, a big welcome to any new faces joining us today. If you're new, smash that subscribe button and the notification bell so you're always in the loop. And hey, if you're behind on videos, no worries. You can always come back and rewatch this one later. Without further delay, let's get started. Step 1. Go to Gemini AI. Gemini AI is a Google's super-powered AI, understanding text, code, images, and more. All you have to do is to type and ask him to give us a list of names of fruits and their description in style of introducing themselves to the children. This is just an example of ideas on what to show on your video to entertain children. You can create your own. Be creative to make your video stand out on YouTube. And after a few seconds, you will get the results. Step 2. Creating voice. Go to 11 Labs to generate voiceovers. Eleven Labs is a company that specializes in creating realistic-sounding artificial intelligence voices. Their software can be used to convert text into speech, with a variety of voices and emotions to choose from. 11 Labs is a good option for content creators who want to add high-quality audio to their projects. All you have to do is to copy the prompt that we get from Gemini AI and paste them in 11 Lab and click Generate Speech. Check the sound of the voice if it is suited to the character you want to show.
Hi everyone, I'm an Apple APPLE. I come in all sorts of colors like red, green, and yellow. I'm crunchy and sweet and good for your health too.
And if you already selected the voice you want for your voiceover, save the voiceovers to your computer. Repeat the process to the other lines in the scripts until you already made all the voiceovers you needed. Step 3. Creating the characters. To create the characters, go to Canva. Canva is a graphic design platform that makes creating visuals easy, even for beginners. With drag and drop tools and pre-made templates, you can design social media posts, presentations, posters, and more. It also offers photo editing and even video editing features. So here in Canva, we are going to make our characters. Our project today is naming fruits, so we need to make a fruits characters. I selected flyers format for our characters. And to begin with, click Elements, and on the search box type apples, and we select the right image for our character. And then search for feet and select the right feet for our apple. Position it properly. Do the same on the hands. Just search hand and position it on the left side. After that, copy the hand and flip it horizontally so we can have another hand for the other side. And then search for the face. Select the proper face for our apple and arrange it properly. Also change the color of the hands and feet. Just click them and select colors on the left side of the screen. After you finish the apple character, download it. Just click share and download. Download it on PNG format. After you finish the apple, you don't need to begin from the scratch to make other fruits characters. Just change the fruit. Search and select the fruits from the elements and position it properly. Make sure the fruit is in the front layer, and change also the hand and feet color. Repeat this process until you finish all the fruits characters that you need. Step 4. Animating characters. To animate our characters, go to Animated Drawing Sketch Meta Demo Lab. This is a website that lets you breathe life into your drawings. Upload your sketch and watch it come alive with animation. It uses artificial intelligence to automatically animate your creation, offering various styles like stick figures or cartoons. It's a fun and free tool for anyone who wants to see their drawings move, from kids to adults. To start to animate our character, click Upload Photo. Upload a drawing of one character, where the arms and legs don't overlap the body. Make sure the character is drawn on a white piece of paper without lines, wrinkles, or tears. Make sure the drawing is well lit. After uploading the photo, just click Next to identify our character. Then our character will appear again with a box. Just put a box around it. Make sure that all the body parts of the character will be inside in the box. Just drag the dots of the box to adjust it. Then click Next. Next page is separating the character. We've separated the character from the background and highlighted it. If the body parts of your character are not highlighted, use the pen and eraser tools to fix it. If the arms or legs are stuck together, use the eraser tool to separate them. Then click Next. Finding character joints. In this page, your character will appear again with character joints. All you have to do is to check if all the character joints are positioned properly on our character. If not, you can drag the joints to adjust them. After that, click Next. Next is at Animation. Here you can choose one of the motions on the left side of the screen to see your character perform it. You can try all the animation here. Just click the box of that motion and it automatically changes the motion of your characters. To download, click the full screen mode on the lower right corner of your character, then it will show full screen of your moving character in video format. Click the three dots on the lower right corner, then click Download. Download all the movements of your character that you want to use in your projects. Repeat the process to all your characters, from uploading the image, separating the character, finding character joints, and adding animation. Step 5. Creating the video. In creating our animated video, we will use Canva. Go to Video Template to start our kids' animation project. Click Upload and upload files to upload our characters we created in animated drawings. And after that, all our characters will appear on the left side of our working space. You also upload the voiceovers of our character that we created in 11 labs. To start in making the video, click Elements and search for background for our video. I type background animated forest to be specific on what kind of background I'm looking for. Here Canva will show you many animated background that we can use on our project. Just select one. Just click on it and it will automatically appear on your working space. As you can see, the background I selected have a waterfalls flowing and it has sound. so I don't need to put background music anymore. Make it our background. Just right-click on the video and click Set Video as Background. Then cut a 3 seconds video in the beginning of the video. Position your cursor in the time you want to cut. Click on it, then right-click on it, then select Split Page. Let's make a text in the beginning of the video. Just click Text on the left side of the screen. Then select Pre-designed text, or you can customize your text on your own. Click the pre-designed text to add it on your project. I ungroup these texts to get the design of the text that I wanted to use. Then I change the text to a playtime, so this will be the text that will appear on the beginning of the video. Add some effects on our text. Just click Text, then click Effects on the upper part of the screen. Then select Styles on the left side of the screen. Here I added shadow, changing the color to black, and make some adjustments on direction of the shadow, offset, and the transparency. Let's add some audio for the entrance of the text. Just click Audio on the left side of the screen. Then select Audio from Canva Audio Collection, or you can upload your own audio if you want. Just click it to add it on your project. Then arrange the timing of the audio on the time of your text to appear. I made another split here, so I can add another element that will appear on the scene. I want to add a basket full of fruits that will display on the side. To do that, go to Elements, then search Basket Full of Fruits, click on the image you want to use, and arrange it in your working area. You can resize it and drag where you want to place it. I want to put another text. For this text, I use Design Text. I just selected the design text I want to use, ungroup it, delete the other text I don't need it, then change the text. I put the title, name that fruit. I adjust the size of the text so it will fit properly. I also change the color so that it will be more visible. Then add some effects. I use curved text. I add voiceover for this scene. Just go to our uploads, then audio, and select your audio you want to add. It is important to name your voiceovers properly, so you can easily identify them when you are about to use them.
Today, we're going to meet some yummy friends. Let's see who's hiding in the basket.
Now we will show our characters. We will now use our fruit characters that we uploaded earlier. These are the characters that we made in animated drawings. Just simply find them in your uploads, then click the character you want to present first. Remove the background. Use background remover. Then it will automatically remove the whole background. You can trim the video on the upper part of the screen, so you can have the control how it will appear and how long it will appear on this scene. And resize and position it to the location you want it to appear. Then, add the voiceover of our first character. These are the voiceovers we've made in 11 labs. Just click on the audio and position it under the scene where your character is located.
Hi everyone, I'm an apple APPLE. I come in all sorts of colors, like red, green, and yellow. I'm crunchy and sweet, and good for your health too.
Do this process to all your characters. Just duplicate the background, then add your characters and remove their backgrounds, and arrange them to their locations. Always remember to split the background for every character, because the separator means it's the next scene. Next is adding the caption. I will put the caption in a text bubble. So go to Elements and find text bubbles. Then click on the design that you wanted to use. Resize and arrange it on your scene. Then paste here the words your character is saying and arrange it properly.
Hi everyone, I'm an Apple APPLE. I come in all sorts of colors, like red, green, and yellow. I'm crunchy and sweet, and good for your health too.
Apply the text bubble and the captions to all your characters. When it's done, click Share on the upper right corner of the screen. Then click Download. Make sure it is an MP4 video format. And this is the actual video after exporting it.
Today, we're going to meet some yummy friends. Let's see who's hiding in the basket.
Hi everyone, I'm an Apple APPLE. I come in all sorts of colors, like red, green, and yellow. I'm crunchy and sweet, and good for your health too. I'm an orange, ORANGE. My skin is bright orange, and inside I'm juicy and sweet. I have lots of vitamin C to help you fight off colds. We're strawberries, STRAWBERRIES. We're small and red with a sweet and tangy taste. We're delicious on their own or in yummy desserts. I'm a kiwi, KIWI. I'm brown and fuzzy on the outside, but green and juicy on the inside. My tiny black seeds are edible too. Hello, I'm a banana, BANANA. I have a long yellow peel and a creamy inside. I'm easy to hold and a great source of energy.
There you have it. These are just a few of the many delicious fruits waiting for you to try. Remember to eat your fruits every day for a healthy and happy life.
Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this video. Check out our other videos too.